Well, hello there. Belyashi. Let's make them together. These are traditional Soviet street food. For the dough, we'll need water, dry yeast, sugar, salt, and flour. That's it. First, mix the dry yeast, sugar, and salt with warm water. Then add the flour and combine everything together in the mixer until you get a smooth dough. Once the dough comes together, knead it until smooth and then cover it with a towel. Let it rest for about an hour or until it doubles in size. I'm using a mixture of ground pork and beef. I'm adding a processed onion, but you can chop it as well. Then I add black pepper and salt to taste, and I will add a little bit of water. Once your meat mixture is ready, cover it with plastic wrap and set it aside while the dough rises. Now our dough should have doubled in size. On a lightly oiled countertop, I'm going to roll the dough in a long sausage-like shape. Then I'll cut it into roughly equal-sized pieces. Now take each piece and roll them into small golf ball-sized balls. Place them on the table and cover with plastic wrap while you work on the next steps. Take one ball, flatten it with your hands and add about 1 tablespoon of the meat mixture in the center. Now fold the sides of the dough over the meat, leaving a small quarter-sized opening in the middle. By the way, you can completely cover the meat mixture with dough from both the top and the bottom. It's just a matter of personal preference. Let's do it one more time so you can see the process clearly. Flatten the dough, add the filling and seal the edges, leaving that little opening in the middle. Next, heat oil in a pan about 1.5 cm deep. It's important to make sure the openings of the Belyashi faces down when you place them in oil first time. This way the meat won't spill out while frying. Fry them on low to medium heat, turning them until they are golden brown on both sides. Be patient, this part ensures that the Belyashi cook evenly and become perfectly crispy. Belyashi are popular street food in former Soviet Union, but they actually have roots in Central Asia. The dish is believed to have been introduced to Russia by Tatar people, who brought their culinary traditions with them. Now we'll just repeat the process until all of them are done. Here comes the last batch. Well, hello again, my friends. Belyashi, or if it's singular, you say Belash, doesn't matter. That's one of those Soviet street foods. Everybody knows what is Belyashi or Belash was. It doesn't really matter if you will do them like completely closed or with the open meat. Here we go. I'm gonna try one. Even I already tried. We're gonna have a look. So simple again and so delicious. With these ones, very hard to stop eating those because they're really good. Well, thank you for visiting my channel. You have to try as many things as you can and tell me what you think about it. Until then, bye bye.